Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bob. Sarah's behind the camera today. We are Next Act Retirement and Travel, and today we're going to be talking about what I believe is the world's absolute best breakfast drink ever. And I'm going to make that for you here in a few minutes and show you all the ingredients one by one as we put them in. But before we do that, I need to give you a little bit about how this all developed. This has been an 8-year process. I've loved doing it. I've tried many spice combinations. I've added other things to the beverage, including olive oil. I've used seltzer water. I've even put in some pickle juice and, believe it or not, ground flaxseed meal until I eliminated things and got the right combination. So today we are going to be making, in my opinion, again, the best breakfast beverage ever. So we're going to start off with some cracked peppercorns. I don't know, I generally do the turn here for 15 or 20 times. We'll put our pepper in, and then we'll start with the spices. And I'm using Morton & Bassett spices. I like those. They're good quality spices. Use whatever spice you have, just make sure it's a good quality one. We'll start off with some smoked paprika. Next, we're adding ground ginger. Some turmeric, some curry powder, some garam masala, now we're going to add a key ingredient, which is Louisiana hot sauce. This is my favorite hot sauce. It's all natural. It's just made from aged cayenne peppers, distilled vinegar, and salt. It has no artificial ingredients or flavors or anything like that. I like this particular sauce because it has a nice slow burn to it, and it also gives it a nice tangy flavor. And it helps to put the sauce in and get all the dried ingredients coming together. So we'll put a generous portion of this in. After I've done that, then I'm going to put in some GT's Synergy Raw Kombucha. And this is gingerberry, my favorite flavor, which has kombucha in it. It has blueberry juice and cold pressed ginger. You can see it bubbling up there. Everything's matriculating together. Next, we're going to add some olives. I generally put in at least 6. Sometimes I get a few more, but that's okay. They add good flavor to it, give it a little bit of brininess. Then I'll throw in a couple of splashes of just the juice from the olives. There we go. Give all this a good stir. And now the final ingredient I put in is just some low sodium V8 juice. Give it a little tomatoey flavor. Now we'll do our final gentle stir here. Now the real test. Have I indeed created the best breakfast beverage ever? Wow. In my humble opinion, that is fabulous. Not only does it wake you up in the morning, but it gets you going for the day. If you've liked this video, like it, subscribe, tell us what you thought about it. We'd like to know what you think. So until next time, quickly, my friends, this way, something even more interesting. Bye.